Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to Bhagavad Gita, chapter 17, Shraddha Traya Vibhaga Yoga, Yoga of Division of Threefold Faith.
अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच ईशास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्णा सत्त्वमाहोरजस्तमः।
Arjuna said, those endowed with faith who worship gods and others, disregarding the injunctions of the scriptures, where do they stand, Krishna? Are they in sattva, rajas, or tamas?
श्रीभगवानुवाच त्रिविधा भवति श्रद्धा देहिनां सा स्वभावजा सात्विकी राजसी चैव तामसी चेति तां शृणु।
Shri Bhagavan said that untutored innate faith of men is of three kinds, Sattvika, Rajasika, and Tamasika. Hear of it from me.
सत्त्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत श्रद्धामयोऽयं पुरुषः यो यच्छ्रद्धः स एव सः।
The faith of all men conforms to their mental disposition. O Arjuna, faith constitutes a man, whatever the nature of his faith, verily he is that.
यजन्ते सात्विका देवान् यक्षरक्षांसि राजसाः प्रेतान् भूतगणांश्चान्ये यजन्ते तामसा जनाः।
Men of Sattvika disposition worship gods, those of Rajasika temperament worship demigods, the demons, while others who are of Tamasika disposition worship the spirits of the dead and ghosts.
अशास्त्रविहितं घोरं तप्यन्ते ये तपो जनाः दम्भाहङ्कारसंयुक्ताः कामरागबलान्विताः।
Men who practice severe penance of an arbitrary type not sanctioned by the scriptures and who are full of hypocrisy and egotism and are obsessed with desire, attachment, and pride of power.
कर्षयन्तः शरीरस्थं भूतग्राममचेतसः मां चैवान्तः शरीरस्थं तान् विद्यासुरनिश्चयान्।
And who emaciate the elements constituting their body as well as me, the Supreme Spirit dwelling in their heart, know those senseless people to have a demoniac disposition.
आहारस्त्वपि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानं तेषां भेदमिमं शृणु।
Food also, which is agreeable to different men according to their innate disposition, is of three kinds, and likewise sacrifice, penance, and charity too are of three kinds each. Here their distinction as follows.
आयुःसत्त्वबलारोग्यसुखप्रीतिविवर्धनाः रस्याः स्निग्धाः स्थिरा हृद्याः आहाराः सात्विकप्रियाः।
Foods which promote longevity, intelligence, vigor, health, happiness, and cheerfulness, and which are juicy, succulent, substantial, and naturally agreeable, are liked by men of sattvika nature.
चक्त्वं ललवणात्युष्णतीक्ष्णरोक्षविदाहिनः आहारा राजसस्येष्ठा दुःखशोकमयप्रदाः
Foods which are bitter, sour, salty, overhot, pungent, dry, and burning, and which cause suffering, grief, and sickness, are dear to the Rajasika.
यातयामं गतरसं पूतिपर्युषितं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि चामेध्यं भोजनं तामसप्रियम्
Food which is ill cooked or not fully ripe, insipid, putrid, stale, and polluted, and which is impure too, is dear to men of tamasika disposition.
अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्यज्ञः विधिदृष्टो य युज्यते यष्टव्यमेवेति मनः समाधाय स सात्विकः
The sacrifice which is offered as ordained by scriptural injunctions by men who expect no return and who believe that such sacrifices must be performed is sattvika in character.
अभिसन्धाय तु फलम् दम्भार्थमपि चैव यत् युज्यते भरतश्रेष्ठ तञ्यज्ञं विद्धि राजसम्
That sacrifice, however, which is offered for the sake of mere show and even with an eye to its fruit, know it to be Rajasika, O Arjuna.
विधिहीनमसृष्टान्नं मन्त्रहीनमदक्षिणम् श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते
A sacrifice which is not in conformity with scriptural injunctions, in which no food is offered and no sacrificial fees are paid, which is without sacred chant of hymns and devoid of faith, is said to be tamasika.
देवद्विजगुरुप्राज्ञपूजनं शौचमार्जवम् ब्रह्मचर्यमहिंसा च शारीरं तपवुच्यते
Worship of gods, the Brahmanas, one's guru, elders, and wise men, purity, straightforwardness, continence, and non-violence, these are called penance of the body.
अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तपवुच्यते
Words which cause no annoyance to others and are truthful, agreeable, and beneficial, as well as the study of the Vedas and other Shastras, and the practice of the chanting of divine name. This is known as penance of speech.
मनः प्रसादः सौम्यत्वं मौनमात्मविनिग्रहः भावसंशुद्धिरित्येतत् तपो मानसमुच्यते
Cheerfulness of mind, placidity, habit of contemplation on God, control of the mind, and perfect purity of inner feelings, all this is called austerity of the mind.
श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते.
This threefold penance performed with supreme faith by yogis expecting no return is called sattvika.
सत्कारमानपूजार्थं तपोदम्भेन चैव यत् क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तं राजसं चलमध्रुवम्.
The austerity which is performed for the sake of renown, honor, or adoration, as well as for any other selfish gain, either in all sincerity or by way of ostentation, and yields an uncertain and momentary fruit, has been spoken of here as Rajasika.
मूढग्राहेणात्मनो यत्पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योत्सादनार्थं वा तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
Penance which is resorted to out of foolish notion and is accompanied by self mortification and is intended to harm others, such penance has been declared as tamasika.
दातव्यमिति यद्दानं दीयतेऽनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्.
A gift which is bestowed with a sense of duty on one from whom no return is expected at appropriate time and place, and to a deserving person, such a gift has been declared as sattvika.
यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्दानं राजसंस्मृतम्.
A gift which is bestowed in a grudging spirit and with the object of getting a service in return or in the hope of obtaining a reward is called Rajasika.
अदेशकाले यद्दानम् अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते असत्कृतमवज्ञातं तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
A gift which is made without good grace and in a disdainful spirit, out of time and place, and to undeserving persons, is said to be tamasika.
ॐ तत्सदिति निर्देशः ब्रह्मणस्त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणस्तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिताः पुरा.
Om, Tat, and Sat. This has been declared as the triple appellation of Brahma, who is truth, consciousness, and bliss. By that were the Brahmanas and the Vedas, as well as sacrifices, created at the cosmic dawn.
तस्मादोमित्युदाहृत्य यज्ञदानतपः क्रियाः प्रवर्तन्ते विधानोक्ताः सततं ब्रह्मवादिनाम्.
Therefore, acts of sacrifice, charity, and austerity, as enjoined by sacred precepts, are always commenced by noble persons used to the recitation of Vedic chants with the invocation of the divine name Om.
तदित्यनभिसन्धाय फलं यज्ञतपः क्रियाः दानक्रियाश्च विविधाः क्रियन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः.
With the idea that all this belongs to God, who is denoted by the appellation Tat, acts of sacrifice and austerity, as well as acts of charity of various kinds, are performed by the seekers of liberation, expecting no return for them.
सद्भावे साधुभावे च सदित्येतत् प्रयुज्यते प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्रब्धः पार्थयुज्यते
The name of God, Sat, is used in the sense of reality and goodness, and the word Sat is also used in the sense of a praiseworthy, auspicious action, O Arjuna.
यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सदिति चोच्यते कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते
And steadfastness in sacrifice, austerity, and charity is likewise spoken of as sat, and action for the sake of God is verily termed as sat.
अश्रद्धया हुतं दत्तं तपस्तप्तं कृतं च यत् असदित्युच्यते पार्थ न च तत्प्रेत्य नो इह
An oblation which is offered, a gift given, an austerity practiced, and whatever good deed is performed, if it is without faith, it is termed as naught, that is asat. Therefore, it is of no avail here or hereafter.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगो नाम सप्तदशोऽध्यायः
Thus, in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of Yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the 17th chapter entitled The Yoga of the Division of the Threefold Faith.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿಮೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.